Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Rajni Kaur. Today, I am going to take up a new topic from the subject Language Across the Curriculum. Today's topic is socio-cultural variations in languages. As we all know that we live in a country where we have different cultures and different type of society, where we have found so many variations in languages also. So how these variations existed in the society and the life of an individual through this lecture. Proceed with the topic. Socio-cultural environment influence language and language influence society, or we can say that language and society are the two sides of the same coin. One is incomplete in the absence of another. The change in one bring change in other. Variations in language may be due to cultural change in society, and variations may be of accent, morphological, socio-cultural, etc. These variations sometime, or the variations based on the language, sometime caused linguism. And linguism is the promotion of a particular language, or to follow a particular language, and on the ground of that to create any kind of differentiation with the other is known as linguism. So what are the causes of linguism? In India, various linguistic groups are living, and linguism indicates loyalty of a group towards a particular language, which may cause various problems. First is geographical location. As India is also possessing diverse geographical locations, we have desert, we have plain areas, we have areas where excessive rainfall or snowfall. So that also has some variations which may affect their lifestyle. It may isolate one region to another region. People of that state or region use the same language, think that they are separated from another region. For example, in UP, the Hindi of Western UP is different to that of Eastern UP, and on the basis of language, sometimes they demand for a separate states. Political causes. Political causes plays a vital role in creating linguism. To get vote, different political group instigate to promote local language or dialect, or they want to create their vote bank by doing this so. Next is love of literature or blind loyalty. A particular group is sometimes rigid and strengthen sense of loyalty towards its linguistic groups. They think that their literature is superior and rich than any other languages. Britishers also rightly said this thing: the one shelf of English literature is comparatively more worthful than the entire Indian literature. Historical causes. Linguism in India is the byproduct of India's struggle for national freedom. Britishers' divide and rule policy was criticized by Indian followers, but in 1950, the state of India were recognized on linguistic basis. Next is psychological and emotional causes. Psychological and emotional causes invokes the feeling of ethnocentrism to a homogeneous group. In India, the linguistic groups are tied together by ties of common interest. Next is economic causes. It also be developed due to economic causes. The government promotes certain languages and makes provision to spread the languages through monetary inducement. And it is because to protect or to preserve a language which may later on be vanished due to the population belongs to the particular language may later on be vanished. What are the consequences of linguism? Origin of regional political parties is the very first or the major consequence of linguism. Linguism has resulted in regionalism, which has resulted into some of these regional political parties in some states which even affect the center state relationship. For example, MNS party, which is governed by Raj Thackeray, and AIADMK was by Jayalalitha. Increase in regionalism and parochialism. Linguistic groups only think about the benefits of their states. They undermine consideration of national and causes narrow feelings. It also a threat to the integrity of our nation because a particular region where the people speaks a particular language, they keeps their state or the benefits of that particular society or a state more prior as compared to the nation. Developing anti-center propaganda. Regional political parties led to anti-central propaganda. They criticize center's policy. They criticize these policies made by central government not only in the sense that it has some major drawbacks, but just to criticize. Erosion of national feelings. The erosion of national feelings threaten this opportunity of the country. People become so fanatics that they even ignore to the national prestige, and it is one of the big threat to our national integrity. Demand for a separate state. Behind the linguistic conflicts underlying the selfish motives of some politicians who instigate the people to demand partition of the states along linguistic lines. Hyderabad and Telangana. Telangana is a new state which is divided from the Hyderabad, and that is again because of the linguism. Interstate border dispute. The language problem has created tension on the border which is bilingual. For example, the Goans are divided into two on the basis of Konkani and Marathi language. Persecution of the linguistic minority. This is also a very big problem, that one would have persecution of the people on the grounds of linguistic minority. Through linguism, some political parties or such group create complications which even threatens the unity and stability of another country. Variations on the basis of accent and the linguistic variations. Accent in technical usage refers only to differences in pronunciation, especially those associated with geographical or social differences. For example, people speaking Hindi in Western and Eastern UP have different accent although the language is same. Linguistic variations includes variation in morphology, syntax, semantics, etc. These are different in different languages because every language has its own grammar. That's why we have these differences or the variations in languages. Thank you so much. Hope this lecture is useful for you. Thank you.